Make a great choice today with the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 8 speakers, center armrest, compass, trip computer, MP3 player, fog lights, Uconnect hands-free group, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.